Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Chieftec BE-10B-300 compact case. So friend, Chieftec has introduced BE-10B-300 case, and friend, it joins the Uni Series of CHIEFTEC as a classic small form factor chassis that still offer all flexibility needed for a modern office desktop PC. And friend, with a total of volume of less than 9 liters, this case still supports slim ODD m-ATX motherboard and comes pre-installed with 300 watt 80 Plus Bronze PSU as well as an 80 fan. And friend, a total of 4 USB ports in the front completes the functionality of the BE-10B-300. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.